Lesson 1, Part 7. I'm hoping this is going to be our last part. I think it is. We're going to click the red triangle and select it. Click Object on the menu bar, point to Arrange, and Send to Back. So now that red rectangle is behind everything else. Select the yellow path, the yellow curvy path. Click Object on the menu bar, point to Arrange, then click Send Backward. Arrange, Send Backward. So it only put it behind one object at that point. Select the blue oval, click Object on the menu bar, point to Arrange, then click Bring Forward. Arrange, Bring Forward. So it put it in front of the yellow curvy line. Select the purple rectangle, then click the Draw Behind button at the bottom of the tool panel. So if you hover, it'll tell you what it is, and that's your Draw Behind. So we're going to click on that. We're going to click on our ellipse tool. On the tool panel, and then draw a circle at the center of the blue oval. And you can press and hold Shift to make it a perfect circle. Let's change the color of it so you can see that it should be behind that. We're going to make it red. We'll make it red. So yes, because we clicked on the Draw Behind when we drew this object and this was selected, we drew behind the purple rectangle. Okay, so make sure your circle is red. Now we're going to click the Draw Normal button. And save your work. So if you have not yet done this, you need to make sure you go to File, Save As, and this particular project should be saved as Direct Selections. So once that comes out, save it as Direct Selections in your H drive. We're going to go back now. You can see that I saved mine as Direct Selections. Click on your Selection tool, and we're going to overlap the large orange and blue squares so that they resemble the small orange and blue squares, and then deselect. So we can take this and just click it, move it over a little bit, take that orange square and move it over a little bit. There we go. And then deselect. Okay, now we're going to click on our Direct Selection tool and then select the top path segment of our orange square. So this is where it's really important. Now watch this little dot that appears. Do you see that dot? That means I can click and select that segment. So I'm going to click on that segment. Okay, it will look like the whole square is selected, but you will see white anchor points in the four corners. Now what we want to do is we want to go to Edit, and we're going to hit Copy. select the intersecting path segment on the blue square. Okay, notice that none of the points are filled in again. We're going to go to Edit and then Paste in Front. And that's what it should look like. So there's actually two paths right here. There's one in front of another. So it should look like now that this goes in front and then turns around and goes behind. Okay, and then save your work. And close your document.